Alright, so I've got a big decision to make. I am sitting outside of a barber shop, and I think I'm going to go in here and get a little bit of a trim. Yeah, I think it needs it. So, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. A little too long on the sides, and yeah. I think it's time to trim her up. Let's see how this goes. I gotta tell you, I absolutely love it. The sides are thinner, feels a lot better, and my mustache, it's not in my mouth. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. No, I didn't do any fancy editing tricks with this one, but I thought you guys might find it interesting to, see the beard get trimmed up. I know everybody's grown kind of used to it. Those of you that have been here for a while. So with that being said, I do plan on putting out some knife videos this week. I was planning on doing that tonight, but didn't quite get around to it. Got a couple of other projects that I've got in the plans, so hopefully that'll be kind of cool. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.